Hello, Driving Intelligence community. In the spirit of fixing it, not replacing it, I'm deciding to repair my Samsung TV that went completely dead on me. I'm going to get into more details in the video, but I guess I wanted to talk from a bit of a different perspective here at the beginning of this video. I'm not a trained electrician. I don't have lots of years of experience working on homes, and I've never been formally trained working on my cars or working on other people's cars or boats or whatever it may be. I guess the point I'm trying to make with these, and sometimes I'm not sure I'm doing a great job of that, is to try to show you that there are so many resources out there for you to fix these things yourself. Save a lot of money. You don't have to go out to other people and get them to repair, to do estimates, and then charge you for the estimate. I've never been inside a TV before, and I decided that I was going to try this myself, similar to the air conditioning system in my house. And because of all the resources out there, I could figure out what steps to do or to perform in order to figure out what the problem is. There's a little bit of risk in this one, as I had to make an investment into a part that I wasn't 100% sure would fix all the problems, but it was a worthwhile risk. So I'm trying to make the point to you that if you can take the time and you have some mechanical or electrical skills, and you know how to research things on the internet, and you practice 150% safety, you can accomplish a lot of these tasks yourself. Follow along, let me know what you think of this video. Maybe you have some questions about something that's broken in your house that you want repaired, and just drop a comment down below, and please hit that thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it.
Hello, Driving Intelligence community. What is obviously missing in this man cave of mine? My TV, 40-inch Samsung. In the spirit of don't replace it, fix it, I was actually thinking about buying a new TV. I did a little research, and I'm going to see if I can fix this myself. I've taken the Samsung down, and I'm going to take off the back cover. It's held in with screws. I'm suspecting it's the power supply because I've got absolutely no power going to this thing. So I don't think it's the LCD screen. There's a red light that's supposed to illuminate when there's power and the TV is off. Let's see if we can figure out if the power supply is bad. I've pulled the back panel off and exposed all the modules. The power supply module, I've done a quick inspection. I don't see anything that indicates that I've got a burnt item, burnt unit. First, I'm going to check the fuse, make sure that the fuse is still good. And then if that looks good, tests out good, I'm going to take the panel off and turn it over and see if there are any burnt marks on it from that perspective. So it turns out there are two fuses. I checked this one and it tested out okay with my ohm meter, but the fuse that goes here tested bad. So my first step would be to replace the fuse and see if that corrects the problem. So I checked the fuse as I indicated, and I've ordered new fuses on Amazon. I also pulled the board to see if there was a reason why this fuse would have blown, to see if there were any burn marks or indication of problems, and there are none. Everything looks good, so I'm wondering if it's a power surge or maybe the age of this TV that caused this fuse to blow. I'm going to try a new fuse and see if that resolves the issue. On this rainy day, I got my fuses, so what better to do on a rainy day than to fix the TV? So I found the 3.15 amp fuses that I need to replace in this location. I'm going to put that fuse in, plug it in, and test this to see if I've got a power light or if the fuse will blow again. Unfortunately, the fuse installed on the power supply didn't work, which means there's something wrong with the power supply, and I don't have the diagnostic skills to check what's going on with that. So you'll see right here, that is a new power supply that I found by referencing the part number on the one inside the TV, and I found it in on the internet. It actually is sourced from China. I think they're just collecting these from damaged TVs. And very cheaply, I got that delivered to me from China, about $45 total. So I'm going to install that now. It's a little bit of a risk, but it's a lot cheaper than buying a new TV. And what I've determined from the internet is that these are high failure items. So let's see if this doesn't resolve it. It is absolutely unbelievable, but the part I just got from China after 3 weeks, over 3 weeks. They must have dropped it in packaging, so it's damaged. You can see this corner is broken. And what I've already done is I've sanded off the electrical connection between that solder joint and that solder joint, and I'm going to drop a bit of solder on there to see if I can't fix this, but I'm also going to make a claim on this to see if I can get another one sent to me. A little frustrating, but hopefully we can resolve this. Okay, so I've fixed that solder line between those two solder joints, and now I'm going to check continuity and see if it's working. I've removed the back panel of the TV, and I just wanted to check and make sure that these two boards are identical, and they are absolutely identical. So let's switch them out. Now that I've confirmed that I've got continuity with this repair joint over here, let's see if we can't get this thing running again. So the true test, I'm going to turn this thing on. I've got that board in. Don't have it completely buttoned up, and I want to see if this power supply works. I have power.